I'll be counting my backswing. So the first hinge we don't count because it's the setup, but then everyone afterwards, I will count at my backswing, not when I'm extending my hips. It does mess up your power breathing a tiny little bit. So we don't want to be doing this all the time. This is a drill to help improve your skill. So use it for what it's worth. And when you've improved your skill, then this one is over. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.